What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another Lady Savage video. We're in the series of my favorite top 3 exercises for each body part. Today we're going to be going over the biceps. I did separate the biceps and the triceps because I don't like just overall saying this is a nice arm workout. Let's separate the muscles and talk about each one. So today we're going to go over biceps, and of course we're going to start with the basic dumbbell curl. There is a bunch of ways that you can do different variations of this, but really just a basic dumbbell curl is going to give you a nice pump in your biceps, a nice stretch, but a nice squeeze at the top as well. It's always a really great place to start if you're going to start with your arm day. It will give you a nice little blood flow and things like that. So at the bottom, try not to take so much tension off of it, and that will really cause both of your arms to have a little bit more pump, a little bit more blood flow. If you're just relaxing your arm at the very bottom of the movement, you are more likely to swing in the movement. So trying to prevent yourself from swinging and really getting the full activation by not fully relaxing your arm at the bottom of the movement. And then when you're at the top, really squeeze it, almost like you're flexing your bicep. You will feel like a freaking rock star. If you don't take a picture of your biceps after this movement, there's something wrong with you. All right, so the next movement that we're gonna talk about is the Saltman curls. I love this movement. I love giving this movement to my clients. It is my favorite. It's just fun. It's a different alternative to doing a bicep curl. What you're going to be doing is pulling the weight up just as you would a regular dumbbell curl. You're going to be flipping over your hands and doing a reverse curl back down. Now you don't want to go fast on this movement. That's a really big thing. We want to make sure that you're going slow and controlled through the entire movement, because you're not just swinging it up and down, you're really doing 2 movements in one. So I absolutely love this movement. It's a really, really great way to get a pump within your arms, and just a really good 2-in-1 type of exercise, which is some of my favorites. And the last one is going to be an incline dumbbell curl. Reason why I love this one is that it removes a lot of the swinging. It removes a lot of the momentum that you can get when you're doing different lifts. So if you are in an incline, your weight is you're kind of already at a deficit with your arms, with your kind of shoulders being a little bit further back, your arms being straight down, you're already kind of in a deficit. So when you're pulling that weight up, you have less swing and less movement. You're gonna probably have to go lighter with this movement, so you'll get a little bit of, you'll get a little humble with this one, because generally speaking, I have to go about 5, maybe even 10 pounds lighter than I would with a regular dumbbell curl. So you're gonna want a really nice stretch at the bottom. Your arms are gonna go straight down, and then you're gonna want to, again, squeeze your biceps just like you were flexing them. So squeeze your biceps, flex them, remember that mind-muscle connection, and then allow for that relaxation there at the bottom. So that's it for these top 3 bicep exercises, and we'll see you guys for the next one.